Bitcoin failed a key model for the first time in years. But altcoins are rallying, and there's one altcoin in particular that everyone in our private member community knows I've been buying a lot of recently. This coin, I think, could easily 4x in the month of December, and it's only $2 per coin right now. So if you guys enjoy short form, concise, no BS content that doesn't waste either of our times, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also quick shout out to our brand new channel partner, Moomoo, which we'll go over more in a minute. Anyways, right now, the overall crypto market is sitting at a $2.69 trillion market cap. And the interesting thing here is that even though Bitcoin is in the red slightly at about 58,400, we're seeing a number of altcoins drive the gains in the market. Ethereum is up over 12% over the last 7 days. Binance Coin's up over 10%. We're seeing that Avalanche up 8%. Luna up 60% in the last 7 days. A lot of these altcoins are driving the gains in the market. And this is showing me that we are in a very bullish position because people are taking on more risk than just investing in Bitcoin. When people invest solely in Bitcoin, it's usually when the market isn't doing as well and people are a little bit worried about where the market is going. When people invest in altcoins, that is overall showing us that people are more bullish, taking on a little bit more risk. Second thing going on in terms of technical indicators is that Bitcoin failed the worst case scenario model, this floor model, monthly close for the first time in years. According to Plan B, creator of the stock to flow model, he had predicted earlier in the year in about June that Bitcoin would be at least 47K ending August. That happened. He predicted 43K ending September. That happened. He predicted October we would close above 63K. That happened. But for the first time, his model missed big time because he had predicted that we would have a $98,000 per coin Bitcoin by December 1st, 2021, and we are nowhere close to that right now. We are about 50% off of that right now. So this was a big miss, but what he said, even though this was the first time that this has ever happened, that he's going to give one more month to see if it is still accurate. But you got to remember, these are just models. There's no way to know for sure what is going to happen with the market. These are just used to predict. And historically, even though we missed this 1 month, historically, this has been a very, very accurate model. So we'll keep an eye out on this moving forward. Next thing I want to talk about is with a coin that I've been investing a lot in recently. I want to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Moomoo, and Moomoo is an investing app that honestly has become one of my favorite investing apps out there because it's hard to find an investing app that has in-depth charts, short selling data, and has access to up-to-date financial news. But Moomoo does all of this in one single place. So you don't have to worry about switching in between an investing app and searching up news. It's all in one place, and you also get access to short selling data, which many apps don't have. Right now, when you go ahead, download Moomoo using the link down below, you could get 5 free stocks, each of them valued up to $3,500. Just make sure to go ahead, use my link in the description, and you could get 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500 when you download the Moomoo investing app. Anyways, back to the program. So what has been happening recently is that Ethereum gas fees have been going absolutely insane. They're reaching all-time record highs, and it's getting to be a big problem. Vitalik Buterin came out and said just the other day that he wanted to introduce a new EIP called EIP 4488 to essentially help decrease the gas fees because they are getting out of hand. For many scenarios, they could be as high as $100 per one transaction. If you bought an NFT, you know the problem. And this is just makes it impossible for people to actually go about using Ethereum's network for buying NFTs, for building projects, because fees are too high. So what we have seen recently is that a lot of people have bought into Avalanche. This is a coin that we've talked about a lot in the private member community. I'm very bullish on it. But the one coin that I wanted to talk about today, which I think could 4x in the month of December, is Polygon, because Polygon's price just has exploded today. It is a coin that I've been telling everyone in our private member community to buy since the last couple of weeks when it was just at $1.50 per coin. Just a couple of days ago, I've said, guys, Polygon's going to rally. Polygon is a coin you need to own as Ethereum's price continues to rise, Polygon is going to do even better. This is a coin that I've mentioned so many times that people need to be a part of. So why and where can this thing go? Well, right now it's at $2.09 per coin. It has seen a rally of 13.5% today, and we are getting close to those all-time record highs of right around $2.80 per coin. So right now, the next resistance we have in terms of technicals is right around that $2.30 per coin range. But the reason why I think this thing could reach $8 to $10 per coin very, very quickly is because of these Ethereum gas fees. We're seeing Ethereum's price continue to rally, almost at $5,000 per coin. And as Ethereum's price continues to rise, well, these gas fees are just going to get worse and worse and worse. It's becoming like so out of hand, like I said. And so the one solution for this is Polygon. Polygon is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. It helps. There's no fees for Polygon, much lower fees, and it helps take some of the transactions away from Ethereum's network, moves them over to Polygon. So for that reason, I think Polygon, since it's a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, has a very good chance of reaching that $8 to $10 per coin range. I did another video the other day where I broke down all of the specific numbers, why exactly I think it could reach this price. We looked at a couple of comparisons to other layer 2 solutions. So I'll link that video down below, so make sure to check that out. But Polygon is a coin that we have been loading up on for a while. We're finally starting to see it break out. And as soon as we break above that $2.30 per coin range, we are going to be clear in price discovery mode to reach that new all-time high and reach that $8 to $10 per coin very, very soon. Anyways, let me know your thoughts on Polygon, and hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you in the next one. See ya.